Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Sade and I'm mommy over 30. In today's video, I am going through our house and doing some little projects, getting myself ready for back to school. I don't know if you guys have already started doing your little back to school list and tasks, but I'm definitely feeling the heat. I have been going to work doing pre-planning, getting my classroom ready, getting myself prepared to be back in the classroom, teaching another content. But today I'm just getting this freezer ready for a large grocery haul, probably next week, probably midweek. And getting my appliance cabinet cleaned out and also the dreaded Tupperware cabinet.
If I want, let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like.
I actually decided to film this video when I started running the water in the sink to get the inside cleaned out. So I didn't show you guys what I was using. So I'm using, of course, my PowerWash and my Clorox. Honestly, guys, the job was not as bad as I was anticipating. I was thinking that it was just going to be horrible. I did have a spill in there. I guess a Coke that I put in there for fast freezing, it burst, and so I attempted to wipe it up when it happened, and I guess I didn't do such a great job. And of course, we had some food in there that needed to go. It was past its expiration date for the freezer, so I just got rid of those things, wiped the insides out really good, took those trays out, got those clean and dried and put back. And here's my son in here trying to see what mama has going on and asking for popsicles. I know you guys can see the reflection of the little one in there in the kitchen. He's hanging out with me as well. He's always hanging out with me while I get this cleaned up. I'm seeing all those little spots on the fridge, so when I go back and do my deep clean in the kitchen tonight, I will make sure that I spray that fridge down really well and get it cleaned up. But the bottom, I'm using this Mr. Cleanfreak. If you guys have not tried that product out, you should definitely check it out. How many of you guys have an appliance cabinet or a little section in your kitchen that you house your appliances? I thought it would be just a grand idea to house some of my appliances out in the garage, the ones that I didn't use frequently, and a lot of them have crept back into the house, and so this cabinet has just become a disaster. And then the drawers above it, sometimes, well, when it was a junk drawer, it would have things falling to the back. If you guys have not checked out my junk drawer clean out, I will link the link to that in the description box below. For this cabinet, I am using the Cleanfreak again, some Dawn PowerWash, and a damp cloth, a hot damp cloth. Just moving things around, getting things shifted, and deciding what I'm going to keep. I didn't realize how bad it was in there, and I actually was pondering whether or not I was going to be this transparent. I consider myself a pretty clean person. I clean frequently, especially when you have kids. You have to make sure that you keep things clean and wiped off. But this appliance cabinet, I just stick things in, pull things out. So I'm not really thinking about what's all in there and how deep, how far back it goes. So here's my transparent moment, you guys. My dirt. You guys, everything was just coming together so beautifully. I was just so in love with the final look. It just looked great. So now just to clean those nasty doors.
You never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love.
Alright, so I have to know. Drop down in the comments, you guys. Let me know how many of you guys have a cabinet that looks like this. You have lots of beautiful Tupperware, lots of mixing bowls, and you've organized it 1,000 times and it just still ends up looking just like this. We're not going to blame the husbands, but I can't take responsibility for this one.
No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck.
So I'm going to do this one more time. Just pare down the bowls. Some of these mixing bowls are just bowls from the Dollar Tree. They won't be missed. And I have other ones, metal bowls with some of that paint on them. And after a while, the dishwasher just starts to cause the paint to chip. So I'm just going to rid myself of all of those. And of course, keep my Tupperware that I just recently purchased.
The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna
Also, guys, in the comment section below, please let me know what you guys are doing to get ready for back to school. Outside of just school shopping and preparing your kids' room. What are you doing in your homes to make transitioning back to real life happen?
coming to get you. Coming to get you. There's another side of you trying to break through, able to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do. All you ever do is say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for show. Every line designed to let me know. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me.
I'm so happy with the way everything turned out. I feel like this will just make storage for my dinners and things like that, just make them a whole lot easier and smoother at night. And also packing lunches for the next day, because I do like to pack my husband's lunch. So for the outside of the cabinet, I'm just using again that Cleanfreak and also a Dawn. I'm sorry, this is not a Dawn. That is a Mr. Clean Magic eraser sheet. It is wet. Alright, you guys, so I have completed my list of things to do for today. Nap time is over, unfortunately, so I skipped my nap today with the kids so that I could get these things done. If you guys would, please like, subscribe, share, tell a friend to check out my videos. I will link those older videos for kitchen organization down below in the description. You guys, please check out some of my content. I would love for you guys to hang out with me sometimes. I have new videos coming up soon. Despite my going back to work, I am very excited to get to know you guys. I love the comments and some of the message that I get over on my IG page. You guys check that out. Have a great week. Bye.